Hi YouTube. Give me if I'm out of breath off my daily walk. I'm right near Kadoka, which is right along a very long, boring stretch of I-90. Town is way over there. I just walked down there and back. I was going to show you the Minuteman Missile Museum. National Park Service, it's closed. Came down here to Badlands Petrified Gardens. It's closed. And over here, Badlands Truck Stop is where I'm going to spend the night. So even though these things are closed, when we get under the bridge, I want to show you something really cool that I didn't notice until I actually walked under it. So let me just jump up there. You see all these little birds that are all of a sudden come swarming out of all these nests up in there. And some kind of swallow. And I don't know whether they're a barn clip swallow. Back home we have barn swallows that don't build nests quite like these. And they're all over in here. Under both sides of the highway. Lots of bird poop underneath them. Not a surprise. So, even though the place, two places I wanted to go to today weren't there or were closed, probably due to the virus going around, it's still pretty cool to stumble on these. I mean, there's a nest up there with one looking at me. So we'll go to tomorrow, see what I can find then. Hi YouTube, it's another day. Today I've traveled down I-90 for about 80 miles or so, and I'm at a spot that overlooks a place where Lewis and Clark, traveling up the Missouri River, stopped. It's like right over in there on that flats. They stopped there on their way upriver in 1804 and then stopped again on their way back in 1806. And they remembered this spot, and I think it was Clark wrote in his diary as Camp Pleasant, because it's such a pleasant place to camp. And over up here on this bluff overlooking where they were, there's a memorial to the natives that were here, and we're going to head over here to see something else. So this is the statue called Dignity. It's 50 feet high, 16 feet deep, and 32 feet wide. And the star quilt she's holding has more than 100 diamond shapes that move in the wind like an aspen leaf. It was erected here September 2016 and celebrates the 125th anniversary of South Dakota statehood. So I'm going to take a walk around. You always see pictures from this angle, and it's very impressive. 3 different Native women posed as models for this, and it was made in a secret location in Sioux Falls. In Rapid City, and then moved here. Let me get around the back and you get a real good view of the quilt. And the full name is Dignity of Earth and Sky. And if you're headed east on I-90 when you cross the bridge, the Missouri River, and look up on the right. This is what you'll see. This is the side that you don't usually get to see. So this nice rest area, got a nice walkway that goes out, and we'll see what kind of view is out here, but just from this spot to looking up the Missouri River Valley. It's pretty cool, and you can see why the land slopes down to flats near the river, and this would be a great place to live or stop on your journey up and down the river. Oh, more likely this is what the hills look like. It's all forested at that time. But I mean, it's a short video today, but if you get a chance, you can access this rest stop from the east or westbound on I-90 when you get to the Missouri River. It's well worth the stop. And if you go back through my videos, you'll see I stopped at a lot of Lewis and Clark stuff along the way. Here all the way across, so probably not the last one. See you later, YouTube.
Jumped off the wagon and he spread out his ears. Brace yourselves and palm for your women.